Welcome to the video on the basics of electricity, covering core concepts from CBSE Class 9 and 10 Physics Foundation. We'll explore the power behind modern technology, from lighting homes to running complex machines. Electric current is the rate of flow of electric charges. Its SI unit is ampere-A, defined as 1 coulomb of charge flowing per second. The formula is I equals Q over T, and it is measured using an ammeter connected in series. Potential difference, often called voltage, is the work done to move a unit charge. Its SI unit is volt V. The formula is V equals W over Q. Voltage is measured using a voltmeter, which is connected in parallel. Ohm's law states that at a constant temperature, current is directly proportional to voltage. This relationship is defined by V equals I times R, where R is resistance, the obstruction to the flow of current. Resistance is measured in ohm, omega. Resistance is affected by four main factors: the length of the conductor, its area, the material, and the temperature. Resistance is directly proportional to length and inversely proportional to area. The formula R equals rho times L over A summarizes these relationships. When resistors are connected in series, the current is the same everywhere, but the voltage divides across each resistor. The total resistance increases, calculated as the sum of individual resistances. Rs equals R1 plus R2 plus R3. In a parallel circuit, the voltage is the same across all resistors, while the current divides into branches. Total resistance decreases, and the reciprocal of the equivalent resistance is the sum of the reciprocals of individual resistances. The heating effect of electric current, or Joule's law, describes how electrical energy converts to heat energy. It is given by the formula H equals I squared RT. This principle is used in devices like electric irons, toasters, and bulb filaments. Electric power is the rate of consumption of energy, measured in watts, W. Key formulas include the standard P equals VI, P equals I squared R for series or heating applications, and P equals V squared over R, often used for parallel circuits. The commercial unit of electrical energy is the kilowatt hour, or kWh, commonly known as 1 unit of electricity. 1 kilowatt hour is equivalent to 3.6 times 10 to the power of 6 joules. Oersted's discovery linked electricity and magnetism, showing that a current-carrying conductor produces a magnetic field. The right-hand thumb rule helps determine the direction of the magnetic field. The magnetic field, B, is proportional to the current, I. A solenoid is a coil of wire that creates a magnetic field similar to a bar magnet. An electromagnet, formed by placing a soft iron core inside a solenoid, behaves like a temporary magnet and is used in cranes, bells, and motors. A current-carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field experiences a force, which is the principle behind the electric motor. Fleming's left-hand rule helps determine the direction of the force, the magnetic field, and the current. Domestic circuits typically use live, neutral, and earth wires. Common hazards include short circuits and overloading. Safety devices like fuses or MCBs are essential to protect against these dangers. Here is a quick revision summary of the key formulas we covered in this video, including those for current, voltage, Ohm's law, resistance, series and parallel circuits, heating effect, power, and commercial energy.